What's good, everybody? Once again, it's your boy Black Hippie, and this is another Black Hippie, video on punk style. Today, I am, patching up a pair of pants that I usually wear, and I had the knees cut out of these jeans, and I wear these jeans a lot. And so the knees are starting to, fall apart, which make them look even cooler. They're kind of both on both legs, ripped at the knees. But I decided to do a little bit of patchwork on one of them. As you can see here, I have my already made patch pinned up on my knee, mid-thigh. And I am truly hand sewing the crap out of this patch. Like, this is some firework. You know what I mean? I don't know too many people who are still doing hand sewing or who are still doing patches this way. I know there are a few of you out here who still do patches this way. I am currently using dental floss as my thread. Yes, I said dental floss. Now, if you're not in the community, this may be new to you, and it may be a little weird to you at the same time too. But yes, in punk, we use dental floss. It is very strong, it is reliable, and the shit is cheap as you know what. So this took me maybe about, I want to say, an hour or so to do. And like I said, I did this while it was on me. So I had my jeans on, and I'm sewing this on while still in my jeans. I'm not going to be doing too much talking, but if you guys made it this far, please, by all means, don't be a bum. Don't be selfish. Don't be a wasteful energy. Like, share, and comment. I don't care what you say. Just keep it to yourself if it's going to be negative. We only accept nothing but the good over here. So, if you enjoy things like this, as I believe you should, give this thing smash the hell out of that like button. I know in some parts of the video, my hands kind of get in the way. The camera setup that I have wasn't the best position, but I just wanted to show you guys, what was going on, what I was doing, how I was doing it, and like I said, I enjoy doing this. You know what I mean? So if you're into this, continue to keep watching my feeds, join my other platforms and things of that nature, because I'm going to continue to keep doing things like this and probably doing projects with other artists. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy this video, this clip, this creation, this comment, to all you super crazy people out there. I thank you in advance. So let's keep rocking it. Let's keep doing our thing. Stay positive. Stay you. You know what I mean? And with that being said, let's continue on with the handiwork, the beauty that's being done before you.